Hey there! Imagine waking up one day to a world devoid of bees, butterflies, birds, and bats. Sounds like something out of a dystopian novel, right? But let's dive into what would actually happen if the world's pollinators went extinct. First off, food systems would collapse. Over a third of the world's food crops rely on pollinators. Think about fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and even coffee and cacao. Without our buzzing friends, these crops would see reduced yields or fail altogether. This means less food on our plates and a lot less variety in our diets. And it doesn't stop there. The economic impact would be catastrophic. Farmers and entire agricultural industries would face financial ruin. Countries that rely heavily on crop exports would experience major economic setbacks. Millions of jobs would be at risk. But it's not just about what we eat. Pollinators are essential for maintaining biodiversity. Many plants rely on them for reproduction. Without pollinators, plant diversity would plummet, causing a domino effect that would disrupt entire ecosystems. Animals that depend on these plants for food and shelter would also suffer. Ecosystem degradation would follow. Flowering plants help stabilize soil and regulate water cycles. Trees provide shelter and food for other species. The loss of pollinators would disrupt these natural processes, leading to environmental chaos. Human societies would feel the impact too. With reduced crop yields, food prices would skyrocket. Fruits and vegetables would become luxury items, particularly in poorer regions. Nutritional deficiencies would become widespread as access to essential vitamins and minerals dwindles. Climate change would also take a hit. Pollinators help ecosystems adapt to changing climates by supporting plant diversity. Without them, ecosystems would be less resilient to environmental stresses. Plants that sequester carbon would decline, worsening our battle against climate change. Humans might turn to technology to fill the gap. Artificial pollination techniques like drones or mechanical pollinators could be developed, but they are unlikely to be as effective or cost-efficient as natural pollination, and they can never match the complexity and efficiency of nature. Social unrest could follow as people are forced to relocate due to food scarcity. Mass migrations and conflicts over resources could become common. The cascading effects on wildlife would be devastating. Many species depend on pollinated plants for food and habitat. As plant populations collapse, herbivores would lose their food sources, affecting predators and leading to a collapse of food webs. In summary, the extinction of pollinators would threaten food security, biodiversity, and human economies, leading to widespread social and environmental upheaval. Pollinators are integral to the balance of life on Earth, and their loss would affect nearly every aspect of the natural world and human society. Let's work to protect them before it's too late. Thanks for watching.